PCOS exercise at home, complete daily routine to manage PCOS naturally. With just 30 minutes a day, you can significantly reduce PCOS symptoms naturally. Yoga and stretching can greatly benefit women with PCOS. Here are some calming poses to try. Butterfly pose, child's pose, cat-cow stretch, reclining twist. For cardio options, consider low-impact exercises like marching in place, modified jumping jacks, dance workout snippets, stair-stepping. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of cardio, 3 times a week, to improve ovulation. These poses help reduce cortisol levels and improve reproductive health. Use calming music and focus on your breathing. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found these tips helpful in managing PCOS through exercise.